Hi, I'm Belinda Heidebrink, a marketing specialist at Bedford Industries. I'd like to welcome everyone today to our live presentation from Pack Expo 2020. The Elasti Tag product line made its debut years ago in the produce aisles as an innovative tag that both bundled and labeled fresh produce in one step. From there, the creativity and versatility of this product line has expanded into markets such as health and beauty, food, home fragrance, beverage, spirits, pet products, and many more. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Elasti Tag family. I will talk about the benefits and the cool features we offer. So even if you've heard of the Elasti Tag in the past, I bet you'll learn something new today. Let's take a look at this short video that gives more information about the 5 key members of the Elasti Tag family. So, all 5 of these Elasti Tag brand extensions have a few things in common. They all have a stretchy loop, and they also all have a printed substrate section. The other thing they have in common is that they are available in 26 very colorful elastomer colors. This is a patented product line that only Bedford Industries is making right here in Worthington, Minnesota. But let's start to talk about some of the other benefits that set the Elasti Tag apart from other hang tags. The Elasti Tag stays in place after it's been applied to your product. It doesn't spin around or fall off during shipping, which also makes it a good option for applying to cylinder items that normally a hang tag might not stay on, and also odd-shaped items that are also usually hard to tag. The tag also is very durable and resistant and will not tear during shipping. Let's get into a few more specifics of each member of our family. The Elasti Tag is available in hundreds of shapes and sizes. It is including a single panel, bifold, or multiple panel options. These die lines are all available on our website to download, or our account representatives could email them to you. We are adding dies weekly, so if you don't find something that currently fits your needs, just let us know because we still may have the perfect solution. The Elasti Tote got its name because it carries small trial samples along with the main product, but still delivers your marketing message on the printed tag. The 2-loop option is our most popular tote and is available in numerous combinations of loop sizes to fit your product. We would work with you to design the loops and the tag to best fit your needs. Another popular tote is just taking our standard Elasti Tag and adding an adhesive strip which allows you to attach a sachet or lightweight packet for delivery to the shelf as well. The Elasti Tab is very similar to our tote line, and the difference is that it's just the stretchy loop along with a section of adhesive that can be used for attaching to packets as well. Once it's applied to a sachet or a packet, it's very sturdy and durable. The Elasti Band has the ability to bundle products together with an elastomer section on the back and a printed billboard for the front. The Elasti Band has become very popular in the international banana market, where the consumers are using it for their identification purposes, but they have reduced their plastic by getting rid of the bags they were using. The last product of the family that I'd like to talk about is the ElastiTag Marquee. Designers and marketers love the marquee because it gives them more design freedom to come up with some very unique tag shapes. The elastomer is applied differently on this product category in that it's applied to the back side of the tag. This allows for direct targeted placement. So when it's on the product, it gives you more of a 3D effect. The marquee is also available in a couple different loop sizes, so it can fit small circumference items as well as larger circumference items. So as you can see, Elasti tags can be used as the primary packaging for your product, as a sample carrying device, as a bundling tool, or just as an attention getter to get your brand out on the shelf. Let's watch this next video to see even more creative ways to spark your creativity. Depending on your design and marketing message, we can help you with the perfect feature for your custom tag. Let's talk about those special features in a little more detail. First one up is our cast and cure. This is available in a variety of stock patterns, and it gives your tag a holographic finish. As seen in the video, the reflection of the light on the tag gives a shimmering effect that is definitely eye-catching. Next is our foil. This would be the most popular special feature we offer. It is used a lot for designing holiday tags, promoting awards, or just adding that striking design element to any tag. We have numerous foil options available for colors, and it is available with both our digital and our flexographic printing. Writable is a coating that can be added to any Elasti tag we offer. It basically will turn an ordinary Elasti tag into a gift tag, a mail-in rebate offer, or even a growler tag to identify your favorite brew. And last up is our scented varnish. This adds a rub and smell feature which will give your consumers a sensory experience without having to open your product when it's on the shelf. There are stock scents available, or you can work with our partner Scenosphere on any proprietary scents and fragrances that you might like to try. In wrapping up, the first step in determining the right tag for your application is giving us the circumference of where the tag will be applied. From there, we will custom quote and manufacture the tag to your specific needs. As you can see, these are just a few of the possibilities that you can achieve with the family of ElastiTag products. But if you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at elastitag.com.